Can I use facial mist instead of moisturizer?
Hello, beauty enthusiasts. In today's discussion, we're exploring a common question in skincare. Can I use facial mist instead of moisturizer? Let's dive into it and understand each product's role in our skincare routine.
What is facial mist?
Facial mists are liquids that you spray onto your skin. They are designed to refresh and rejuvenate the skin, typically containing ingredients like water, plant extracts, essential oils, vitamins, and sometimes even hydrating ingredients like hyaluronic acid. Their primary function is to provide a boost of hydration, soothe irritated skin, set makeup, or simply to give your skin a quick pick-me-up during the day.
What is moisturizer?
On the other hand, moisturizers are creams, lotions, or gels designed to hydrate the skin and lock in moisture. They work by reducing evaporation of water from the skin surface and help maintain the skin's natural moisture balance. Some moisturizers contain ingredients that help attract moisture to the skin, like hyaluronic acid, and others have ingredients that help seal that moisture into the skin, like ceramides.
Can facial mist replace moisturizer?
Now, coming to our main question, can facial mist replace moisturizer? In short, the answer is generally no. While facial mists can provide a temporary boost of hydration, they do not typically provide the same level of moisturizing and skin-protecting benefits as a traditional moisturizer. Facial mists are lighter and less concentrated than moisturizers, and they lack the ability to seal moisture into the skin effectively. So, while you can certainly add a facial mist to your skincare routine for an extra hydration boost or refreshment during the day, it shouldn't replace your moisturizer.
How to incorporate both into your routine?
A great way to incorporate both facial mist and moisturizer into your routine is to apply your facial mist right before your moisturizer. The moisturizer will then help to seal in the additional hydration from the facial mist. It's also perfectly fine to use facial mists throughout the day whenever you feel like your skin needs a quick refresh or hydration boost. There you have it. While facial mists are a great addition to your skincare routine for a quick hydration boost, they aren't a substitute for a good moisturizer. Remember, skincare is personal, and what works best for you may not work as well for others. It's all about finding a balance that suits your skin's specific needs. We hope this video helps clarify the difference and role of each product in your routine. Stay beautiful!